The American IronHorse Texas Chopper, 2007, is a classic example of American muscle and customization, blending raw power with bold design. Priced at approximately $25,000 to $30,000 depending on the configuration and aftermarket upgrades, this chopper was designed for riders who appreciate individuality and a rugged aesthetic. Key specifications: engine, a massive 117 cubic inch, 1916cc V-twin air-cooled engine producing around 100 horsepower and an impressive torque output, making it ideal for cruising. Transmission, 6-speed manual transmission with a belt-driven final drive system for smooth power delivery. Frame. The bike features a robust steel frame with a stretched design, giving it that iconic chopper look. Wheelbase. An extended wheelbase of about 70 inches, providing stability and a laid-back riding posture. Weight. The bike weighs in at approximately 750 pounds, so it's not light, but its weight contributes to its solid, grounded feel on the road. Fuel. Capacity, a 4-gallon fuel tank, offering decent range for longer rides. Brakes, equipped with a single front disc brake and a rear drum brake, though some models might have dual discs depending on customization. Tires, wide rear tire measuring around 250 mm, paired with a narrow front tire for that classic chopper stance. Seat height, around 26 inches, making it accessible for most riders, despite its size. Customization. One of the standout features of the Texas Chopper is its highly customizable nature, allowing owners to personalize everything from paint schemes to handlebars. Performance. This beast of a bike is built for comfort and style rather than speed. Its powerful engine ensures strong acceleration, while the relaxed ergonomics make it perfect for long-distance cruising. However, due to its heavy build and low ground clearance, it's less suited for sharp turns or sporty riding. In summary, the American IronHorse Texas Chopper, 2007, is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement piece. With its commanding presence, immense power, and luxurious details, it appeals to those seeking a blend of performance and personality. Whether you're hitting the open highway or turning heads at a bike show, this chopper delivers both style and substance,